Hello, product hunter. It's me, Gabriel. I'm the creator of Bookmarker, and today launched the final version after 1 year work. And we'll be introducing, give you an overview how Bookmarker works. I will be explaining you why you should use Bookmark Manager. And yeah, let's start. Uh, to be honest, I don't use a Bookmarker every day. I use Safari as my main browser, and I place on Safari all my main links I use every day, or links that I use for the during the day as for a project or something like this. But for each other case, I prefer to use Bookmarker. For example, bookmarks that I don't use every day, just in case I use it a few way at month. I prefer to set up all my links on Bookmarker, and once you launch it, it looks more or less like this one. And the final version, there are coming also a background image, so you can place a background image you prefer. And it is genuinely how it interacts with you. You can start typing without going here to the search bar. So you start typing Facebook, and you see directly the link. And to launch it, you don't need to press it. You can do it, but you can also simply press enter and it launches it automatically. And this is, in my opinion, a game changer to interact very fast with your bookmarks. And the point is, you can also go into the setting of your bookmark and place here some information like hello, also some hashtags like let's write shopping. And if you use hashtags, it gets a tag, and it is easier to search here on the search bar with text, but you can also place your full text through your. Let's search for hello, and then you see it get it as result. You have different views for bookmarks, or generally for the entire user interface. You can manage it on your current folder here by selecting, for example, this list view, and you can also modify it, for example, hide the URL. And we have also card view. Card view is helpful because you can also place your notes. So in case you manage it, there are also the information inside of this element. And you can navigate, of course, inside of a folder. I much more prefer this icon view for the start page. For some subfolders, I have also this other list view structure. In each case, if you go inside, and you see on the top the navigation, and you can easily navigate back. And here on the left side, we have the entire structure of bookmark of folder, your folder structure, and you can also modify it. In many cases, you can modify a lot of um, things and adapt it how you need it. And let's move with the archive, but let's archive something. Let's move, for example, this one here. You see in this way, get created new folders, very fast way. But let's rename it. Let's say that's social folder, okay? And once you create a folder, you can easily share it over this button. You have to publish it. So let's do it. You can use a image and place your title. Let's not do it, just copy it. Let's open it in a new tab, and it will be looks like this one. So in case you place here your image, you will be see here also a title. So you can technically use it as a bio page, as example. Let's move back. The idea is to move it to the archive. The archive have a special structure. Let's do it. So it's not more here visible. the archive is the idea that you have a structure where your application can be a playset what you don't use in your daily life, but you want to have it. So, and over this preview uh, style, you have an idea what's inside of your folder. So you see we are now from the start page going to the archive and now into sub this folder. And technically you can create limitless subfolders. There's no limit. And if you want to set up a new link, you can do it easily over this plus icon. And let's search, for example, for LinkedIn. Okay, and you see there are some suggestion what you will be use. I set up the most important bookmarks or links, most popular ones, and once you create it, do you see can set up here directly a note. You can change the folder. Currently will be placed on the folder you are right now there, and simply create it, and you have it. So it's a very simple way, and can also switch between different views. Dark views right now active. Um, let's change the background. This is the current setup background, but we can also select another one, or we simply use no background, and we can also turn to the light mode. Let's do it. So this is basically how Bookmarker will be looks like if you use no bookmark, no background images. And I hope you enjoy it. I will be just show you something small, which I praise a lot of. You can create new links by simply use the URL Bookmarker. Type Bookmarker, and then add, and then let's place on new URL, for example, Twitter. Okay, let's do it. And you see it gets instantly created. I think I create a tool which help you a lot in your daily life to manage your bookmarks. And I'm on the way to create the world's best bookmark manager. I'm not on the target right now, but it will be comes, and I work every day to be there. In each case, thank you very much to have this small overview of Bookmarker. I hope you will be give me an upvote for this Producthunt launch. If you have any question, write me down, and I'll give you also a one-to-one overview of Bookmarker. And for each feedback, I will be very grateful. So send me feedback whenever you want. Thank you very much.